Powerful machines and ingenious tools that you need to see. In the world of heavy-duty machinery and specialized tools, innovation often leads to remarkable advancements that transform industries and redefine possibilities. From massive machines that tackle the toughest construction tasks to ingenious tools designed for precision and efficiency. These innovations not only improve productivity, but also enhance safety and effectiveness. Expand R5090. The Expand R5090 is a marvel of engineering that represents a significant leap in the capabilities of earth-moving machinery. This machine is designed for heavy-duty excavation and material handling, boasting a range of features that enhance its performance in demanding conditions. The Expand R5090's advanced hydraulic system provides exceptional lifting power and precision, allowing it to handle large volumes of material with ease. Its robust design ensures durability, making it well-suited for harsh environments such as construction sites and mining operations. One of the standout features of the Expand R5090 is its versatility. Equipped with interchangeable attachments, this machine can be adapted for a variety of tasks, from digging and grading to lifting and transporting. This adaptability makes it an invaluable asset on any job site, where changing conditions and requirements demand a flexible approach. The Expand R5090's efficient fuel consumption and reduced emissions also contribute to its appeal, aligning with modern standards for environmental sustainability and operational efficiency. Woodcracker. The woodcracker is a tool that has revolutionized the process of splitting and processing timber. This ingenious device is designed to handle large logs with minimal effort, using a combination of hydraulic pressure and precision engineering to split wood quickly and efficiently. The woodcracker's powerful hydraulic mechanism generates immense force, allowing it to split even the toughest types of wood with ease. This reduces the physical strain on operators and speeds up the processing of timber. In addition to its strength, the woodcracker is designed with safety and convenience in mind. Its design minimizes the risk of kickback or accidents, providing a secure and controlled environment for splitting wood. The tool's ergonomic features ensure that operators can work comfortably for extended periods, reducing fatigue and improving overall productivity. By integrating the woodcracker into timber processing operations, users can achieve faster results and enhanced safety, making it an essential tool for anyone working with wood. Stump Cutter. Stump cutting is a challenging task that requires both power and precision, and the Stump Cutter is designed to meet these demands with impressive efficiency. This machine is equipped with a powerful rotary blade that can grind stumps down to below ground level, effectively removing any trace of the stump and its roots. The Stump Cutter's advanced cutting mechanism allows it to tackle stumps of varying sizes and densities, making it a versatile tool for landscaping and land clearing projects. The Stump Cutter's design emphasizes ease of use and operational efficiency. Its intuitive controls and maneuverable design allow operators to navigate tight spaces and work with precision. The machine's robust construction ensures long-term durability, even in challenging conditions. Additionally, the Stump Cutter's ability to reduce stumps to mulch or sawdust makes it a valuable tool for improving soil quality and preparing land for new uses. By incorporating the Stump Cutter into land management practices, users can achieve effective and efficient stump removal, enhancing the overall quality and usability of the land. Trackway. Trackway is a groundbreaking solution for providing temporary access and support in challenging terrain. This innovative system consists of interlocking panels that can be deployed quickly to create stable and durable pathways over soft or uneven ground. The Trackway system is used in a variety of applications, including construction sites, military operations, and emergency response scenarios, where traditional access solutions are impractical or insufficient. The design of Trackway emphasizes strength and versatility. Each panel is engineered to withstand heavy loads and resist damage from environmental factors such as weather and abrasion. The interlocking mechanism ensures a secure and stable surface, reducing the risk of slippage or instability. Trackway's ease of deployment and removal makes it a practical choice for temporary access needs, allowing users to quickly adapt to changing conditions and requirements. By incorporating Trackway into their operations, users can improve access and mobility in challenging environments, enhancing overall efficiency and safety. Dinolift. Dinolift is a cutting-edge aerial lift system that combines power, precision, and versatility in one impressive package. This machine is designed to provide elevated access for a range of tasks, from construction and maintenance to inspection and installation. The Dinolift's advanced hydraulic system allows for smooth and precise movements, enabling operators to reach high or difficult-to-access areas with ease. One of the key features of Dinolift is its ability to offer both vertical and horizontal reach, making it ideal for tasks that require a combination of height and distance. The machine's robust construction and powerful lift capabilities ensure stability and safety, even when operating at maximum extension. The Dinolift's user-friendly controls and ergonomic design contribute to ease of operation, reducing operator fatigue and improving overall productivity. By incorporating Dinolift into their equipment fleet, users can enhance their ability to perform elevated tasks efficiently and safely. Luft 60. The Luft 60 is a high-performance compaction machine designed for use in a variety of construction and infrastructure projects. This machine is engineered to deliver exceptional compaction results, ensuring that soil and other materials are compacted to the desired density for optimal performance and stability. The Luft 60's advanced vibration technology provides uniform and consistent compaction, reducing the risk of weak spots or inconsistencies in the material. The machine's robust design and powerful engine make it suitable for demanding applications, including road construction, foundation work, and land grading. The Luft 60 is also designed with operator comfort in mind, featuring ergonomic controls and a user-friendly interface that simplifies operation. Its durability and efficiency contribute to improved productivity and reduced maintenance requirements, making it a valuable addition to any construction site. By incorporating the Luft 60 into their operations, builders can achieve high-quality compaction results and enhance the overall performance of their projects. Plow Pack. The Plow Pack is an innovative tool designed to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of snow removal operations. This system consists of a plow attachment that can be mounted on various vehicles, allowing users to clear snow from roads, driveways, and other surfaces with ease. The Plow Pack's advanced design ensures that snow is effectively moved and removed, reducing the risk of accumulation and improving safety. The Plow Pack's versatility is one of its key advantages. It can be adapted for use with different types of vehicles, including trucks, tractors, and ATVs, making it suitable for a wide range of snow removal needs. The Plow's adjustable angle and height settings allow users to customize its performance based on the specific conditions and requirements. The system's durable construction ensures long-term reliability and performance, even in harsh weather conditions. By incorporating the Plow Pack into their snow removal operations, users can achieve more efficient and effective snow clearing, enhancing safety and accessibility during winter weather. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.